Well, something's for Mom. What's that?
Nail polish!
Or is it more lip gloss? What is it?
Nail polish!
Yeah?
That's how we get a nail polish.
I think Dad just put that in there.
Oh, wait. Take this in there. There's just a ticket. Worms. Oh!
Oh,
Yay! Barbie!
how cute.
Gummy worms!
Your favorite.
Ooh, a crab! Ice Age! Look,
Let me
it's
see.
on the Hat movie.
Oh, wow. Oh, Horton Hears a Who. That's a cute one. And Ice Age 2?
Yep.
3 movies?
Yep. There.
Oh, wow.
Let's go right there. Oh, Dad got... Oh, there's something for you!
Coffee! Thanks, Dad.
I got more than this.
Oh, wow.
What are these?
Starburst jelly beans, I think. Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you.
We love you.
Bye.
We miss you.
Bye.
See you soon.